So here we have to do these two questions from exercise 3.6, question number 2, part number 2. Two women, 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. To find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also taken by one man alone. Okay, so here we will let us suppose that one woman can finish this embroidery work in X days. We have to find the days, number of days alone to finish the work by one woman and one man. So let one woman can finish the embroidery work in X days and one man can finish the embroidery work in Y days. Then we will find out this is one woman can finish in X days. So one woman's 1 day's work. This is X days work. X days work next days can finish the work. So we have to find in 1 day how much one woman can do the work in 1 day. So 1 day work we have to find. One woman, 1 day's work. So then we will find out one woman, one woman, 1 day work, 1 day's work. How much she can do in 1 day? So that will be obviously X days. So it will be full. One man can finish the embroidery work in X days. So 1 day work will be 1/X. It will be 1/X. Similarly, one man, 1 day's work will be 1/Y. Okay. So why? Because X days, X women can finish the work. That is one is total work. So therefore, one woman, 1 day's work will be 1/X. This X will come here. Okay. Similarly for men also. And 2 days work, 2 women and 5 men can do the work together in 4 days. Okay. So 2 women, that means we will take 2 women's work will be 2 into 1/X plus 5 men's 1 day's work will be 5 into 1 by y, and that will be equal to 1 day's work, not 4 days work. 1 day's work. We are converting everything to 1 day's work, not this. This is 4 days work. Okay. So 1 day's work will be 1 by 4. In 4 days they are doing together, then they are completing in 4 days work. So they are doing together. So 1 day, how much they will do? 1 by 4 days. This you have to remember. Everything should be taken reciprocal. And similarly, 3 men work will be 1 by 3 into 1 by x, and 6 men 1 day work will be 6 into 1 by y. Okay, 6 days work, and this is 6 men. They can finish in 3 days. So it will be equal to 1 day's work will be 1 by 3. Okay, these are the equations. And here we will put now putting 1 by x is equal to 2 and 1 by y is equal to b. So whenever you have given this type of question, that some number of persons or some men and women together doing the work and completing in these days, so in that way you have to take reciprocal everything. 1 by x, 1 by y, and 1 by 4. Here it is 3 days, to 1 by 3. And then you can replace it. So this will become 2x, that will become 2u. Equation will become 2u because 1 by x is replaced by u. So 2u plus
Can you just go back to the
5v is equal to 1 by 4. First equation. This is our first equation. Equation number 1. And 3u plus 6b is equal to 1 by 3 is our second equation. Yes, 1 minute. Going back. Okay, you can note down. Who asked me? Yes, Minaj. Minaj, let me know. To go to
Oh,
the
yes, sir, I finished it. It was only the last line. Okay, so I finished.
Minaj. So this is our equation. 2u. Okay. 2u plus 5v is equal to 1 by 4. 3u plus 6v is equal to 1 by 3. Now you can multiply first equation by 3. First equation multiply by 3. Second equation multiply by 2. So we get 3 to the 6u plus 3 5 the 15p is equal to 3 by 4. First equation. Second equation 2 3 the 6u plus 6 to the 12v is equal to 2 by 3. And subtracting. So change the sign, minus, minus, minus. And this will cancel 15v minus 12v. 3v and 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. You can solve now. So 3v is equal to 3 and 4. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So 4 3 is 12, 3 3 is 9, minus 4 2 is 8. So 9 minus 8, 3v is equal to 1 by 12. And 3 will come here. So v will be equal to 1 by 36. 12 3 is 36. Okay, and this put in equation number, put in first equation. So we get 2u plus 5 into v is equal to 1 by 4, and v is 1 by 36. So 5 by 36. 2u will be equal to 1 by 4 minus 5 by 36, and LCM will be 36. 4 9 is 36, 9 minus 5. So 2u will be equal to 9 minus 5, 4 by 36. 4 by 36. 4 1 is 4, 4 9 is 36. So u will be equal to 1 by 9 to the 18, 1 by 18. Okay. And u is the reciprocal of x, and x is the, and v is the reciprocal of y. So we can have u, therefore from u we get x is equal to 18 and y is equal to 36. X is equal to 18 and y is equal to 36. So that means our answer is, does one woman alone can finish in embroidery work in 18 days? Okay. And one man alone can finish it in 36 days. Question number 2, third part, exercise 3.6. Ruhi travels 300 kilometers to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometers by train, remaining by bus. And if she travels 100 kilometers by train, remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes more to reach the home. Okay. And total distance is 600 kilometers. Okay. So time, the difference is in the time. Okay. So first we will 4 hours. He is taking 4 hours to reach by using train for 60 kilometers and remaining 240 kilometers by bus. So here we have to let the speed of train and the speed of bus. We have to find whatever we have to find, that we have to suppose. Always remember, we have to find out the speed of train and the speed of bus. That means we have to suppose in the starting the speed of train and the speed of bus. Let the speed of let the speed of train be x kilometers per hour, and speed of bus be y kilometers per hour. Then according to first condition, 300 out of 300 kilometers, 60 kilometers he traveled by train. So 60 kilometers means distance is 60 kilometers, okay, for train, okay, and speed is x kilometers, x is the speed, so time will be equal to, time is equal to distance upon speed. The distance is how much? 60 and speed is x, so 60 by x. By how much time he will take? 60 by x hours by train. Then rest of the kilometer, that is 240. Similarly, 240 kilometers by the speed of bus will give you the time to travel by bus. By train plus by bus, total time is given in the question 4 hours. This will be equal to 4 hours. The our equation number 1. You can say 1, 2, and then that will be taken as 3 and 4. Similarly, 100 kilometers by train plus rest of the kilometers means 200 is left out of 300. 200 by y. Total time is 10 minutes longer. Not 10 minutes. You have to convert 10 minutes means 4 plus 10 minutes. But 10 minutes should be converted into hours, so divided by 60. 10 divided by 60, it will convert into hours, or you can solve it. 0 and 0 will cancel. 6 for the 24 plus 1, 25 by 6. This is your equation number 2. Now substitute 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. On substitution, we get the equation says u plus 6u. 1 minute. And आज 1 minute I'm taking your doubt. 240v is equal to 4. This is our equation number 3. And 100u plus 200v is equal to 25 by 6, that is equal to 4. Okay. Yes, write your doubt. Minaj,
5 by 6. I didn't understand that word.
1 minute. Yes, Minaj, you can ask.
So in the second equation, how did we get 10 by 60 is equal to 3?
Yes, 10 by 60. Listen, this is what kilometer? This is given in what kilometers? Okay. This is the distance, and speed. Speed is given in kilometer per hour. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the time will be in, when you will write here kilometer per hour, this will become hour. Okay, kilometer will cancel, means the time should be in hour. We are considering time in hours. Okay,
Hours, yes, sir.
so right hand side should be always hours. So here already given in 4 hours, so it is 4 hours. But here 4 hours 10 minutes. So 10 minutes should be converted into
Hours.
hours. So 1 minute is equal to 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, correct? So 1 minute will be 1 by 60 hours, so 10 minutes will be equal to 10 into 1 by 60 or 10 by 60 hours. Is when you are converting minutes into hours, you have to divide by 60, correct?
Yes, sir.
So that will become 1 by 6 hours. So when it will be converted 1 by 6, then it can be added in 4 hours. That means 4 plus 1 by 6 hours. So now 6 for the 24 plus 1, 25 by 6 hours. It is
Alright.
converted into hours. Okay? So we have to convert into hours. That's why. Got it?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Now solve these two equations. Multiply the first equation. We can multiply first equation number 3. And now if we can make this both these two same coefficient, we have to make the coefficients of u same. So if we multiply 6, this is not 6, sorry, 60, this is 60. So when you multiply 6 by 5, if you multiply 6 by 5, so 5 6 are 30. It will become 300 when you multiply it by 5. And when you multiply this by 3, it will also become 300. So instead of multiplying by 60 and 100, here it is easy to multiply first equation multiply by 5 and second equation multiply by 3 to make the coefficients of u same. Okay, so 5 6 are 30, this will become 300 u, and 240 multiply by 5, it will become 1200. 1200 v is equal to 5 4 the 20. 3 into 100, 300 u plus 3 to the 600 v is equal to 25. Uh, we have to make it 300. So okay, 3 to the 600 and 25 by 6 multiply by 3. So 3 1 the 3, 3 to the 6. We can write 25 by 2, and then we can subtract them, minus minus minus. So we get 1200 minus 600, 600 v is equal to 20 minus 25 by 2. So 600 v is equal to 40 minus 25, 40 minus 25 by 2, 600 v is equal to 20, 40 minus 25, 15 by 2. So v will be equal to 15 upon 2 into 600. Rejoin again. Rejoin because 1 minute is left. We will continue the next part. Rejoin. So we get v is equal to 15 upon 2 into 600. Okay. So 3 5 the 15 and 3 2 the 6 and 5 4 the 20. So 1 by 80. V will be equal to 1 by 80. Okay. Then this value you have to put in equation number 3. Put in equation number 3. Question number 3 is 60u plus 240 into 1 by t is equal to 4. This 0 and 0 will cancel. 60u and 8 3s are 24. 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24 is equal to 4. So 6u will be equal to 4 minus 3, 1, 60u, and u will be equal to 1 by 60. Okay, so u was related to x, 1 by x is equal to u. Okay, x was the speed of train and y was the speed of bus. So therefore, we get x is equal to 60 kilometers per hour and y is equal to 80 kilometers per hour. So here the speed of train is less in this question. That means the framing of question may be some mistake is there in framing. So speed of train is 60 kilometer per hour and speed of bus is equal to 80 kilometers per hour. Okay, now we will take some extra questions from this lesson and next time we will start new lesson quadratic equation. So extra question. Sometimes in previous years also they have asked the questions instead of giving the number they have given A, B, C. Coefficients of x, y are given in A, B, C. So like that question we will take solve the following pair of equations in x and y for x and y for x and y. First equation is a square by x minus b square by y is equal to 0. And second equation is a square b upon x plus b square a upon y is equal to a plus b. Okay. So here we will put 1 by x is equal to u, 1 by x is equal to u, and 1 by y is equal to p. 1 by y is equal to v. We can take p and q also instead of uv. We can take p, q, anything we can take. It is up to you. So then it will become the first equation will become a square u minus b square v is equal to 0. This is our equation number 1. And second equation is a square b u plus b square a v is equal to a plus b. This is equation number 2. Now, in order to make them same coefficients of x and then subtract, this is a square, this is a square b. So, if you multiply first equation by b, then this will become a square b. First equation will become a square b u minus b cube v is equal to 0. And do not multiply second equation by any number. We can say multiply by 1. So that is a square b u minus b square a v is equal to a plus b. And subtracting it, change the sign, minus, this minus will become plus. Here this is whole plus outside, this will become minus. So these two will be cancelled out. We get plus b square av. First I will write this plus 1. B square av, we can write first plus and then this term minus b cube v. And here you have minus common a plus b. Now take out common v. When you take out common v, so we, and also you can take out b square also common. B square is also common. So you are left with a minus b. But it should be one. There is some mistake. Here it is minus. It is plus. Sorry, this is plus. So this will become minus. This is given plus in our question. So this will become minus. This plus will become minus. Correct. Both should be plus or both should be minus. Let me see this. A square by x minus. Here it is minus. Correct. Here all are given plus. Plus. So this will become minus. So both will become minus. Correct. So then you have to take minus sign common. It will become plus. And here also minus a plus b. So v will be equal to minus a plus b divided by minus b square into a plus b. And this minus will cancel, a plus b and a plus b will be cancelled. We get v is equal to 1 by b square. And this value you can substitute in any equation. So put in first equation. First equation is a square u minus b square v. V is 1 by b square is equal to 0. This b square will cancel. We get a square u minus 1 is equal to 0, or a square u is equal to 1, or u is equal to 1 by a square. So therefore we got u is equal to 1 by a square and v is equal to 1 by b square. If a bag contains red and white balls, so we have to suppose red balls and white balls. So let let the number of red balls be, let the number of red balls be X and white balls be Y. Okay. According to question, according to given condition number one. First condition. Half the number of white balls. Half the number of white balls. Okay. So white balls are Y. Half the number of white balls means 1 by 2. Half the number of white balls is equal to 1/3. 1/3 is 1 by 3. 1/3 the number of red balls, that is X. So cross multiply. 3 will multiply here, it will become 3y, and 2 will multiply here, 2x, or 3y is taken this side, we can write 2x minus 3y is equal to 0. It is equation number 1 according to given condition number 1. Then according to given condition number 2. Condition number 2 is the total number of balls exceeds 7 times the number of white balls. Exceeds means more. So that means their difference is 6. Exceeds means more. So when we will subtract 7 times from the number of white balls, the total number of balls. What is the total number of balls? We have X plus Y. And thrice, it is also thrice the total number of white balls. Thrice the total number of white balls. Till here, just write thrice or times, we mean we have to multiply. Times or thrice, twice, we have to multiply. Thrice means 3. We have to write here 3 times the total number of balls. Total number of balls are X plus Y. X is red and Y is white. So X plus Y. 3 times X plus Y. Exceeds means we have to find their difference. So minus exceed means difference of these two. So this will be more obviously this minus 7 times. 7 times means multiply 7 into number of white balls. Number of white balls are Y. 7y. 7 times the number of white balls. Exceed by 6. That is equal to 6. So difference is 6. This is the given condition. Now multiply 3x. Just you have to convert the word into the equation. You should know how to convert wherever exceeds is given, what you have to do for multiplication times, for more than also addition. Okay. So 3 multiply inside 3x plus 3y is equal to minus 7y. Minus 7y is equal to 6. So we get 3x minus 4y. 3x minus 4y is equal to 6. This is our equation number 2. That's all. We got the equations. Now we can solve these two equations. So equation number 1 is, 3x minus, first equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 0. 2x minus 3y is equal to 0. This is our equation number 1. And equation number 2 is 3x minus 4y is equal to 6. This is equation number 2. So equation number 1 multiply by 3. Equation number 2 multiply by 2. So 3 to the 6 6x minus 3 3 is 9y is equal to 0. 2 3 is 6x minus 2 4 is 8y is equal to 2 6 is 12. Change the sign. This will become minus. This will become plus. This will become minus. It is cancelled. Minus 9 plus 8 minus 1y is equal to minus 12. So y is equal to 12. Put in first equation. We get 2x minus 3 into 12 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 36. 2x minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 36 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 36. X is equal to 36 divided by 2. X is equal to 18. Okay. So hence we got X is the number of red balls. Hence number of red balls 18 and the number of white balls is equal to 36. Yes, number of white balls is y, so y is 12. Number of white balls is 12. The number of red balls is 18 and number of white balls 12. So this is your homework. Question number 1 answer. Question number 2 answer. Question number 3 answer. You can try yourself.